Morning guys, as you can tell I'm not in the van, I'm in the office. Guess who forgot to make an intro for this week's video? The midweek special. Me, again.
Go!
So, here it is, episode 11, midweek special. Hope you enjoy it. Cutting in the edges.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. The festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else, as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. 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 Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
Alright, that's the cleaning done. Time for a massive rinse down. It's gonna be bigger than this. Hi guys, it's Wednesday. Go! Went to work this morning, got the bins cleaned, nipped back, quick brew, washed my hair, been and had it cut, and now off to resand that driveway we did yesterday. See you when we get there. Alright guys, all sanded. Didn't video it. This is the back. Back patio. So you'll see it's wet on the side, so I couldn't sand it properly. Bit where the bins were, and out to the front. There we go. I've done that look a lot better. Turn you around. I'll try and put some pictures up from before. I couldn't do this wall. Customer didn't want it doing anyway, but I couldn't have done it because these cars were in the way. Well, there was another car here, so, and that belongs to next door. But we did the customer's wall. Brighten that up. See? Looking good. So, it's another one done. Still got bits of sand there because my blower, my leaf blower, is battery operated. And guess which muppet forgot to charge it up? Me. I don't know. I'll get used to this one day. Like I said, I've only been doing it 25 years, so give me a break. Right, so with that said and done, that's another day for the bin cleaner pressure washing services. And I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.